In this video, we're looking at a feature that's currently in beta, the AI Assistant. This is for us the most exciting phase of this product. The AI Assistant is designed to help you manage your schedule and perform actions using natural language. Instead of clicking through menus, you can simply type a command like "Make me unavailable for Sundays" or "Cancel all appointments for today." The assistant will analyze your request, figure out what actions need to be taken, and then present them to you for confirmation. For example, if you ask it to make you unavailable, it will suggest an action to update your weekly availability rules. You can then confirm and run the action with a single click. Or for example, if you ask it, "Make me unavailable from 2 to 4 p.m. for today," it will then ask you to confirm. And if you confirm, it will automatically block off all those appointment time slots between 2 to 4 p.m. for today. It can also help with bulk operations, like moving all appointments from the upcoming column to the done column. Please note that if you ask it to do anything, if it fails to do it, it will tell you that it couldn't do it. But if it does it after you confirm, it will do it and may automatically notify your clients too if clients' notifications are turned on. Since we recorded this video, we added a few updates to the AI, so we are just adding this clip to this video as well. You can now generate an invoice using AI Assistant, which makes it very easy to create an invoice for your client. For example, you have a client that received 2 hours of consultation. You can just say or type 2 hours of consultation for a total of $150 and hit generate. The AI will create an invoice and edit its items for you quickly. Or for example, you can write LCD replacement for $435 and a $20 discount. The AI will analyze and create an invoice for you and puts in a discount in the invoice as well. While this feature is still in beta and we're constantly improving it, it shows the power of using AI to make managing your business even faster and more intuitive. The goal is to have this AI as your assistant. You can also access a voice-enabled version of this assistant from the top header bar, which is more useful if you are viewing this page on your mobile browser. Please note that this feature has bugs, so please use with caution and by double-checking the actions to make sure it's done properly.